Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about logic gates. So, what is logic gates? Logic gates are basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. Relation between the input and output is based on certain logics. Based on this, the logic gates are named as AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. At first we are going to see about AND gate. IC used in this gate is 7408. AND gate performs a logical multiplication commonly known as AND function. Output is high when both inputs are high. Output is low level when any one of the input is low. Normally it operates under addition multiplication function. So maximum input will be 2. So expression for AND gate will be looking like this. Normal dot products diagram will be like this. In this A and B are two inputs and Y is single output. Y is equal to A dot B, normal multiplication operation. Truth table. Here we can notice that if input 0 then output will be also 0. If both input are 1 then output will be also 1. So in between these two cases, if any one of the input is 0 then output will be 0. Next, OR gate. IC used in this gate is 7432. OR gate performs logical addition commonly known as OR function. Output is high when any one of the input is high. Output is low when both inputs are low. Next, expression for OR gate. Addition operation. Logical diagrams. In this, Y is equal to A dot B because multiplication operation is done in this. So in this A and B are input and Y is output. Truth table. You have seen that this truth table. So previous slide we have seen this how this result output came. Next, NOT gate. IC usually is sound. Output is high when input is low. Output is low when the input is high. Expression for this NOT gate will be looking at this. Y is equal to complement of A. It shows that output will be always opposite of input. So logical diagram will be looking like this and truth table. Here I can notice that if input is 0 then output is 1. If input is 1 then output is 0. So it complement to each other. Next, NAND gate. IC used is 7400. NAND gate is a contraction of AND and NOT. Output is high when both inputs are low and any one of input is low. Output is low level when both inputs are high. So expression for that NAND gate will be looking like this. Normally it does the operation of a NOT gate and AND gate. Logic diagram for NAND gate will be looking like this. Truth table. Here it is the truth table. We have said like that if two inputs are low then output will be maximum, and if two inputs are high then output will be low. NOR gate. IC used here is 7402. NOT gate is a contraction of OR gate and NOT gate. The output is high when both inputs are low. Output is low when one or both inputs are high. Expression for NOT gate is this. It normally does the operation of NOT and OR gate. Logical diagram for NOR gate. Truth table. As we have said earlier, if if two inputs are 0 then output will be complement of AND gate. Like it will be output will be maximum, and if both inputs are high then output will be low. XOR gate. IC usually is 7486. Output is high when any one of the input is high. Output is low when both the inputs are low and both the inputs are high. Next, expression for XOR gate will be like this, and logical diagram. Truth table. XNOR gate. In this gate, IC used is 7410. Output is high when any one of the input is high. Output is low when both the inputs are low and both the inputs are high.